A man was found inside a locked cabin during a snowstorm. He claimed he had been alone all night. The detective looked outside and immediately knew he was lying. Why? Focus on every detail. There were two different sets of footprints leading into the cabin, but only one set belonged to the man. Reason: the fresh snow had preserved the footprints clearly. One set matched the man's boots, while the second set was a different size and pattern. Since the second footprints led into the cabin, someone else had entered. Therefore, his claim that he had been alone all night was false. 10 fun riddles for geniuses only. So, focus carefully, think fast, and don't cheat. Challenge 2. What's wrong with the photo? A man claimed he took a photo outside during a heavy rainstorm. The detective looked at the photo and knew he was lying. Why? Focus on every detail. The ground in the photograph was completely dry. Reason: the man claimed there was a heavy rainstorm when he took the photo. But if it had been raining heavily, the outdoor ground would naturally be wet. The completely dry ground proved that his story was false. Challenge 3. Who is the foolish girl? Think carefully. Sophia. Reason: Sophia is standing outside the covered bus shelter in the rain, even though she could easily stay dry inside it. Challenge 4. A birthday cake disappeared from the kitchen. 4 people were nearby. Lucy: I was decorating the dining table. Ryan: I was playing video games. Chloe: I was taking a shower. Ethan: I was feeding the dog. The detective looked at the scene and immediately knew who ate the cake. Think carefully. Chloe ate the cake. Reason: Chloe claimed she was taking a shower, but the bathroom mirror is completely clear and dry, while the shower itself is still perfectly dry. There is no sign that the shower was recently used. Challenge 5. A guest claimed he never left his hotel room during the night. The detective checked the elevator and found one clue that proved he was lying. What was it? Think carefully. The elevator stopped at the guest's floor during the exact time he claimed to be asleep. Reason: the hotel's elevator records showed that the guest's room key was used to access the elevator at 11:40 p.m. Even though he claimed he had been asleep in his room all night, this proved that he had left his room. Challenge 6. 4 people are dressed as vampires at a costume party. 3 are humans in costumes, but one is a real vampire. Can you spot the real one? Think carefully. The woman holding the umbrella. Reason: the party is taking place in bright sunlight, but she is the only one standing completely under an umbrella and avoiding direct sunlight. Challenge 7. Can you spot the 4 differences between these 2 winter scenes? Look carefully. Some changes are very easy to miss. The 4 differences are: the snowman's scarf is different. The bird on the left is missing in one picture. The snowman's hat has a different color band. One child's sled has a different number of runners. Challenge 8. Who took the necklace? Look carefully. Claire was lying. Reason: Claire said she was cleaning the bedroom, but the detective noticed that the vacuum cleaner was still completely wrapped in its original packaging. There was no way she could have cleaned the room with it. Challenge 9. A small raft is floating in the middle of a lake. 3 people need help. But the lifeguard can reach only one person first. Who should he save first? Look carefully. Gray should be saved first. Reason: Noah clearly says he can swim to shore, so he can manage on his own. Emma is already safely sitting on the raft. Grace is the only person who cannot swim and is already in the water, so she is in the most immediate danger. Challenge 10. 3 men are waiting at an airport. One of them is secretly an astronaut. Ethan: I'm flying to London for a business meeting. Ryan: I'm going on vacation. Michael: I'm heading to see my family. The detective looked at their belongings and immediately knew which man was the astronaut. Look carefully. Leave your answer in the comment. And that's how we've completed solving 10 puzzles together. Were you able to solve them all? Share your answers in the comments and tell us which puzzle was the hardest for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to catch all our latest puzzle and challenge videos.